Hello, madam. Have a good day. Let me introduce myself. I am Alma Bauro Manulat, 44 years old. I currently living here in Porok 11, Mahayay, Tubok, Davao City, Philippines. My work experience abroad and Bahrain country as a domestic helper. I serve 4 family of members, 3 years old and newborn baby. My duties and responsibilities there are to taking care of the children, cooking, ironing, laundry, and the most especially to take him the newborn baby. My second work experience abroad in Hong Kong country, I serve 5 family of members, 2 children, newborn and 2 years old. And also I have 1 grandma. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning, ironing, marketing, and the most of all, to take with him the children's. Madam, please choose me as your helper. I promise that to love him, to treat your children as my own children, like my son. Madam, I am a patient woman. I'm a loyal. I'm a honest. And on the most of all, I am a hard worker. I hope, madam, I want to see you soon. Thank you so much. And God bless.